Well, welcome back. Let's tell you exactly what happened in the parliament yesterday with the Wayanad MP Priyanka Gandhi Vadra walking into parliament sporting a bag with Palestine written on it. The Congress MP show of solidarity for the people of Palestine, which is locked in war with Israel, kicked up a political storm here in India, with the BJP going all guns blazing against the Congress General Secretary, calling it as a bag of appeasement. Hitting out at Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, the IT cell head of the BJP Amit Malviya, saying that the crass communal virtue signaling to Muslims has been cloaked as a stance against patriarchy. He went on to brand the Congress as a party of New Muslim League. Another BJP leader, Dr. Sambit Patra, tweeted a picture of PM Modi juxtaposing it with Priyanka's photo with Palestine bag, with the caption reading, "Main aapka hoon, wo unke hain."
All the members of the family of the Gandhi dynasty, all they have done is they have hung the bag of appeasement by their shoulder. This is the reason, ये जो बैगेज कैरी करते हैं, इसी बैगेज के कारण इनकी हार होती है।
प्रियंका गांधी कोई हमास की सपोर्टर तो है नहीं। वो ये कह रहे हैं जो बच्चे मारे जा रहे हैं, अस्पतालों में बम गिर रहे हैं, उसके लिए कह रहे हैं कि ये एक मानवता के नाते गलत काम है। उनकी ये बात कहने की है।
From Mahatma Gandhi to Atal Bihari Vajpayee, everybody has raised their voice for the cause of Palestine, and now also the government of India is supporting the cause of Palestine. Even the External Affairs Minister has made that statement, and we have sent aid also.
However, the newly elected MP Priyanka Gandhi Vadra has hit back at the BJP and countered the charge of appeasement. In her response, she said that no one can dictate as to what she can wear, what she can use, and also asking the government, instead of raising the issues of atrocities being committed on Hindus with Bangladeshi government.
You want to say something? Why are you carrying this bag?
I've said many times what my beliefs are regarding this. And if you look at my Twitter handle, all my comments are over there.
They say that the parliamentarians can't carry this.
Who's going to decide what clothes I wear now? Who's going to decide that? That's typical patriarchy, that you decide what clothes women wear also.
Okay, ma'am.
I don't subscribe to that. I will wear what I want. जो बांग्लादेश में जो अत्याचार हो रहा है माइनॉरिटीज़ पे, जो बांग्लादेश के हिंदू हैं, बांग्लादेश के ईसाई हैं, उसके बारे में कुछ करें, बात करें बांग्लादेश की सरकार के साथ, अत्याचार बंद कराएं.
Now look directly where the endorsement came from. But the Congress leader also came in Priyanka's defense. Actually, she won the support from Pakistan as well, with the former minister Fawad Hussain calling it and hailing Congress MP, saying that no Pakistani MP has had such a courage to demonstrate a move like this.
और यहाँ पे जो प्रियंका गांधी ने जिस दलेरी का मुजाहरा किया है, ये तो पाकिस्तान के अंदर भी किसी पार्लियामेंटेरियन ने नहीं किया. सो मुझे बड़ी खुशी हुई है कि उन्होंने ये स्टैंड लिया. शी इज़ अ ग्रैंड डॉटर ऑफ अ फ्रीडम फाइटर लाइक जवाहरलाल नेहरू, और उनका ये कर्तव्य बनता था, उनका ये फ़र्ज़ बनता था कि वो अपने नाना की जो स्टैंड है उसको आगे बढ़ाएं. And I'm very happy she has done that.
Well, a direct endorsement coming in from Pakistan's side. With that, we head into a short break. Lots more lined up on the other side.